Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. So you cannot violate the laws of Krishna or laws of nature. That is not possible. You are not at all independent. Because these rascals, they will not understand this. They are always thinking we are independent. That is the cause of all unhappiness. Nobody is independent. How you can be independent? Nobody is independent, neither you can be independent, neither nobody is independent factually. Who is independent? Here you are sitting so many boys and girls who can say, I am independent of everything. No, nobody can say that. So this is our mistake, and by misusing our independence, we are suffering in this material world in so many ways. That has to be reformed, that has to be checked. That is Krishna consciousness movement. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has preached, Jivet Sarupa Nitya Krishna Das. We living entities, we are eternally servant of Krishna. That is our position. But if we deny this position, then why shall I become servant of Krishna? I am independent. Then suffering begins immediately. Krishna Bhuliyaji Bhagavancha kare, as soon as he desires to enjoy independently, immediately, that means immediately is captured by Maya. Krishna Bhuliyaji Bhagavancha kare, pasate Mayatare Japotiya kare. It is very easy to understand. Just like if you don't care for the government laws, if you want to live independently, that means immediately you are in the clutches of the police force. You haven't got to create, it is already there. So our position is always dependent on God. We should understand this. This is Krishna consciousness. Therefore, Bhaktivinoda Thakur has a song, Manasa Deho Geho Jo Kichu Mor Ottinu Tua Pade Nanda Kishore. This mistake is going on, that I am independent king and my soldiers are my society, community, family, or so many we have been manufactured. But Dehapatta Kalatradishu Atmasaineshu Asassu Api Tasya Nidhanam Pramatya Pasyannapi Napassati. Just like a man fights, just like Hitler declared war, or so many wars are declared, this man is declared. Everyone is thinking I am independent. And we are thinking that we have got so many soldiers, so many atomic bombs and so many aeroplanes, we shall come out victorious. Similarly, each and every one of us, we are thinking I am independent and my wife, my children, my society, they are my soldiers. If I am in danger, they will help me. This is going on. This is called Maya. Pramatta tasya nidhanam pasyannapi napasyati. Because we have become mad after this so-called independence of God, we are thinking these things will help us, will protect us. That is Maya. Tasya nidhanam, everyone will be destroyed. Nobody will be able to give us protection. If real protection is wanted, you will have to take protection of Krishna. That is the instruction of Bhagavata. Sarvadharman parityajya mamekang saranang braja. You rascal, you are thinking that so many things will give you protection. That will not be possible. You will be finished and your so-called protector and friends and soldiers, they will be finished. You don't depend on that. Sarvadharman parityajya mamekang saranang. You just surrender unto me. I will give you protection. Aham ta sarva papi. Mokkhashami, Masujo. This is real protection. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,